Here is Crunchyroll Manga App, long-awaited app, and you can find it in here. Quite cool. You can find all of these manga pieces in here. So you can just go and browse. You can search by popularity. Here, all this like interesting title, newest, oldest, alphabetical, and then you can just find some filters. So, for example, if you just tap, this is how it looks like. And then you can see the chapters. You need to get premium to read in here. So this is just the idea. And then you can just explore plans in here. $12 per month, fixed $16 or $15.49. So this is the idea. Yeah, quite cool. And then you can also see that there is Crunchyroll separate app. If you wanna just watch anime, but now this is also Crunchyroll manga, just a separate app. Here you can see if you wanna read it, so you can then just open it up, and there you have it. So you have your account. You can delete your account, content restrictions, app theme, switch profile, and that's it. So super easy app. Unfortunately, they don't have any promo codes. They don't have any kind of invite codes, deals. This is just the app, and you need to upgrade to basically read all of it. Seems there are no free chapters whatsoever in here. So unfortunately, this is just what you have. And then you have manga, then you have genres, and that's how it looks like. That's the app. I think it's only available in United States, so it's not possible to browse it from other countries at the moment. So that's just what you have. And yeah, so that's the app. You can just again find it here in the App Store, in US App Store. As you can see, it's in the top charts right now, and quite cool. Can be a bit buggy because it's overloaded, and you can see that the reviews are not that good. It has some good title. It doesn't have much as I thought it was set to have. Now they come out. So premium requires change fixes, not enough, small catalog, bad execution. So the idea is good, but the selection seems is quite low. So the common thing is that the catalog is super small or overall. So that's just what you have. But anyhow, try it out.